To learning by doing with Praveen Kandan. This is Praveen. In this Java object-oriented programming playlist, we will learn OOPS concepts from the scratch. This is Java OOPS programming session number 17, private access modifier. If you're confident about learning, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update, and please click the bell icon and select all notification options. Don't choose personalized option. You may miss some session updates. Let's get started. So in our previous session, we have discussed about the public access modifier. Anyone can access. So prerequisite, please watch the public access modifier session and then attend this private access modifier session. Okay. So private means within the class only you can access the data members and methods. It's fully hidden. As per the industry standards, we should give this only. Okay. Until it is required for anyone, you should give it as a private only. It should not be accessed from outside. Okay, first I'll go with the existing example itself, then only can able to easily understand. Previous session we have discussed about the public access modifier. I've provided as a public, so anyone can access within the class or within the package or outside the package. I'm right, within the class means only within this class. Within the package, in the sense com.mobile is the main package, we are having two files. Even mobile shop also can able to access within the package means outside the package means outside this com.mobile, what package you having com.user, so that also can able to access the mobile phone data members and methods. Can able to understand? So within the class means this class, this file dot java file can access. Within the package means this folder com.mobile, within this package anyone can access. Outside the package means outside this com.mobile remaining all repositories can also access this. But what's our today's agenda? Private access modifier only within the class I can access it. Example, now I'm changing it as a private one. Private, see here, changing it as a private. Okay, I'm saving this. First we'll discuss within the package. Within the package, how many files are here under the com.mobile, mobile phone and mobile shop. I like to access it in mobile shop. See here, it will throw an error. What's the reason? What's the error you're getting? First of all, this full field mobile phone dot brand is not visible. Actually, it is visible where? In this current class mobile phone, it is visible to here only. You can't able to view it outside the class. Okay, outside the class. Outside the class means what is that? Mobile shop. This is the package. I'm right. Outside this package, you are coming. Within the class, you can see it. Okay, in the class, you can see it. But within the package, not possible. It is throwing an error. Within the package means another file what we are having, mobile shop. So it's showing error. Here also it's showing error. It is not visible. Next, we'll try outside the package whether it is possible. Com.user can able to access it. It also getting an error because it is only within the class. Outside the package and now I'm going to access it. It is not possible. So what the suggestion is they are giving? Brand to public. If it is public, you can able to access anywhere. But within the class, if you're using the private, only you can able to access within the, what is that? Within the class only. Within the class only you can access it. So I will, for your reference, I'm changing now. Okay. So I'm giving the same thing for safety purpose. Okay. So this is not allowed. Am I right? Before getting another example, now just try to understand within the class only you can able to access it. Okay. Within the class only you can able to access it. So now I'm completely giving in another class. Okay. I'm creating one more class. Okay. So class reference, I'm giving mobile. Okay, I'm pasting these details now here. Okay, ah, we can go with this class also, no issues. Better we'll go with this example itself. Class mobile phone itself. Okay, here I'm going to give that what is that main function? Public static void main string args. Okay, I'm going to access this now because within the class, I'll tell you know within the class means you can access it. So I'm simply going to give First printing this variable. So what's the shortcut? SOP, and then press Control Tab, Control Spacebar. So you'll get it. SOP. Actually, you'll get it. Sorry, CISO. Yes, CISO. One word missed. Actually, you'll get it. Wait. S5SO. Yes, you're getting the system.out.1 shortcut. Okay, I'm giving brand now. Okay, we'll get an error. Am I right? What's the error? Without object, you can't able to access the instance variable. Am I right? So first of all, create the object. What is the class name? Mobile phone. What's the class name? Mobile phone. Equal to reference variable. I'm giving mobile equal to new mobile phone. Okay. Next, by the help of this reference variable mobile, because I already created the object, so mobile dot brand means we'll get the output. I'm right. So next, similarly, I can call this method mobile dot, what is that? Show brand. Show brand. So now run this code, you'll execute. Okay, you'll get the output. What error? Mobile dot show brand unsolved. Okay, wait. Check. So here it's system.out.println I'm giving. It is not required, am I right? So just calling the function. Okay. Now it executes. See the output? We'll get the output Redmi and then brand new. First of all, what is happening? Within the class means private access modifier is allowed. So within the class, I'm accessing mobile.brand means this Redmi is printer. Next, I'm using mobile.show brand. So now it will be called here, and then that brand is displaying. Instance variable is getting the memory at the time of object creation. The time of object creation, it is getting the memory and then displaying. But in outside class, you can't able to access this brand and show brand. Customer also, it is not possible. Reason, private access modifier, only within the class it is allowed. Okay. So I already told you the example also. Real time example, private. Okay. Within the class. So real time example, own mobile hotspot or personal hotspot. Okay. You can able to access only by you. Am I right? Only by you can able to access it. That is about my personal hotspot. Owner only can access it. Same thing within the class, a same class can access it, but within the package or outside the package, it is not allowed. Okay, I hope you are clear this. This is what I explained in this example also. See here, mobile phone class is the pin number 1234. So what's the data member? Pin. Access modifier is private. So I'm accessing. Okay, I'm accessing within the class. It is possible, but outside the class, what is that? Mobile shop means it will throw one error. That's why we are getting the output as phone.pin means it will throw one error. In case I would like to access it means, so I'm giving the data method. There is a method. What is that? Public int get pin. Int public int get pin. I'll show you example here itself better. Then you can easily understand. 1 minute. I'll copy paste the content. You can easily access it. See. One more example I'm telling for private. See here. Within definitely you know about now private data access modifier means only within the class you can able to access it. Am I right? Even if I'm not giving like this is the problem. I'm right. This private access modifier can access only within the class. Outside the class, if I'm accessing, it'll throw an error. See here, it will throw an error. It is not visible. The field mobile phone is not visible. See, important thing. I'm creating the object first of all for this mobile phone, mobile shop. Phone.pin means it will throwing an error. What error? Mobile phone.pin is not visible because this is another class. Within the class only you can access it. To resolve this problem, okay, in industry they will use this trick. What is that means? So I'm giving one method here. Okay, I'm giving one method here, public int get pin. So public access modifier means you can access anywhere. Am I right? So I'm giving public int get pin. So what is happening here means I'm calling one function. Okay, I'm calling one function. I'm commenting the previous one or deleting. Okay, because it is throwing an error. Phone dot get pin. Phone dot get pin means this method is available here in a public mode. So this method can be accessed outside this class also. Phone.getPin means it will come here. The control will be transferred to line number 7 in getPin. What I'm returning pin, because I can able to return. Am I right? Here the my access modifier. Okay, within the class only I'm using. Okay, but what is I'm using here? Return pin. Here there is no access modifier and all, because return means there is no access modifier is required. So directly I'm returning pin. So where it is called here line number 9. So what will return means what is that pin number? 1234. So 1234 will be displayed now. 1234 will be displayed now. Check it out. We'll get the output as 1234. Because you already made it as a private, then who can access? Only the authorized person can call this method. Okay, they'll create one method. Okay, so after that, call it. Okay, so they'll make it as a public. Will access. In future, we'll discuss about the encapsulation concept, getter and setter. At the time, you can able to understand. So, what are the data members should be a private, and then how we can access by public. I hope you're clear with this. If you found the session useful, then like the video, subscribe the channel for more update, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.